Hey everybody, wanted to share a review of my Easy Tankless water heater. This is the Easy Ultra HE. It's the gas condensing 93% efficient model. It's one of the first few serial numbers there, 114. This thing is absolutely fantastic. It's 70,000 BTU. It can run a lot of different things at once. We have a shower, we have the bathroom sink, still in progress, and we also have an upstairs kitchen with full sink and dishwasher. So we have that as well as a washer and dryer in here. At 70,000 BTU, I should have no problem running all three: dishwasher, shower, and washer machine, and still have good hot water. It's set to 48. I think it comes at like set 42 or 45 degrees C. 48 is more than enough for us to not get scalded, but stay nice and warm in the shower. Installation on the thing is pretty straightforward. You need to install it on Hardy Backer, the good solid moisture resistant stuff, like you would put under tile or behind tile on your bathroom. You also have the gas line. This one runs on propane. Hardly uses any propane because it's so efficient. Gas condensing water heaters are the most efficient per the Energy Star website, and also they've been trying to get them going for a long time. Finally got them going. There is a sediment filter on this. This is run off some sprinkler lines that come from my house, so it will filter out any sediment in those. The only other thing I would say about installation that I didn't like was these were recommended by Easy Tankless and also by the Home Depot website, these valves, and they are just so frustrating. Very big, very bulky, stick out. The one thing you might need for a code is this blow-off valve, this overpressure valve. I've seen it spurt a little bit after taking a shower or running the shower, but for the most part, it's probably not that necessary. But go ahead and get one, get that on there. But you can use valves in your PEX, just ball valves on your PEX. It's probably a lot easier than all this stuff. These do allow the clean out, but you can also get an adapter for your PEX to the hose adapter, put another valve on it, and you got the same thing. A lot cheaper way to do it. You do it yourself and save the money, and you can put the hoses and stuff where you want. So learn from my mistake there. It also requires a exit pipe for the exhaust. The exhaust is actually not that hot on these, so despite the hardcore stainless steel looking stuff, you can actually connect this to PVC after the top little flapper valve, like a diesel exhaust pipe here. So this has got a little flapper valve on the inside. After that, you can go PVC. You can go quite a distance, and they give you some calculations to use if you do any bends or 45s in it. I just went straight out of the house, and I used an extra pipe of metal here from some exhaust pipe left over from another project. I think it's 3-inch diameter, aluminumized steel pipe. And that goes to the outside of the shop and has some caulking around it, which doesn't burn up because, it doesn't get too hot. So this thing is fantastic. It starts up in about 15 seconds. You got hot water here at the shower. You're gonna watch this thing. First this lock comes on, and then in a couple more seconds the flame. You can hear it. And then if I put my hand under this, right now the water's hot. So these are pretty close pipes, but that doesn't take too long to get you that hot water. And then it cools itself off and turns off when it's done. So I would highly recommend this. It hardly uses any propane. I use propane in the shop because it's easier to run than the long distance of pipe from LPG to natural gas from the house. This thing just uses propane, and it's so much easier to deal with, and it's cheaper. And because it hardly uses any propane, it's extremely efficient. You'll save a lot of money. So this unit was a little bit more money than a normal water heater would be, but it takes up a lot less space. You don't have the tank, and you're going to save it in the propane. Trust me. The savings will be excellent. All right. Get out there and enjoy.